Ayan, dito kami nakarating sa McKnight na train station. Ano naman guys. Ayan. Dexa! Let's go! Dexa! Dexa! Let's go! Naka-dress up si ate kasi magpapa-downtown kami today.
You better take a lot of photos of me.
Oh, let's go! Ay! Did you sleep? Nag-nap siya. Okay, let's go! Dito tayo sa McKnight train.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Nasakyan kasi namin eh. Go backward siya. Ayan. Siguro dugtong lang kasi ito eh, no? Going kami sa downtown to celebrate Daddy's birthday. Are you happy riding a train? Yes. Oh, grabe ang hair niya. Pakulot-kulot kasi siya. White horn. You want to be a bus driver?
No way.
No way daw. Why no way? Bus driver a lot of money. They are the highest paying job here in Canada though. Ayan, Bridgeland na tayo. And Dexa, we're here in downtown na Dexa. Okay, you want to go down na? Want to go down? Yeah. And Bridgeland. Hello. Daddy, Dexy. Hi. Dad. Ayan, nasa downtown na kami. Ayan ang downtown Calgary. Ayan ang view. Dito nga lang maraming mga homeless din dito. Kasi ito yung center na yun. Ayun. Ito. Center. Maraming homeless din. Ayan. Ayan, start na ng mga tall buildings. There's the Calgary Tower, guys! Lexi! Lexa! Come on! There! The Calgary Tower! You're excited? There! Did you see there? Sa taas! Did you see it? Yeah. Ayan, ang ganda ng building na to. Ayan. Oo. Oh, I see. Yeah. Gucci here in downtown. Ang cute nila. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ayan.
Wearing anything but.
Ayan. Nuksan tayo ni Daddy. Girls, come on. Ikot-ikot muna while waiting for dinner for Daddy's birthday. Ayan. Ayan ang mag-ama ko. Did you see? Oh my. Yes. At ikot-ikot muna kami. Okay, here. Ayan, di pa kami nakatagal mga bata. Ayan na, stop na. What's your order, guys? Tigisa kayo. Okay, the other one, and then... Okay, go ahead. Okay, order na kayo kay ate. So, hindi pa nakatagal sa lakad-lakad. Humingi na ng pagkain.
My breakfast, guys.
Breakfast ka dyan. Okay. Ayan, oh. Ayan, maganda din to. Marami din gagawin dito sa decor. Healthy to, no? Kasi nga na moist, yung moist niya, no? Healthy siya, anahaw. Oh yeah, grabe, Dixie! Ayan sila, oh my God! That's big, Dexa. Careful, Dexa, ha? Dexa, careful. Mahulog ka dyan. Muli ulit po ng inumin nila. That's so nice, guys.
I want solo photos.
Yeah. Go to ate. Careful. Woo! Yan na ba tayo? Tingin daw siya dun sa H&M. Careful, Dexa, okay? Buti hindi niya nakita yung playground. Hindi naman siya makalaro kasi ganyan siya. Let's go. Pag-shopping si Dexie.
Right there.
Oh. Okay. Nag-shopping si Dexie.
But if I want to go long, it's harder.
Ayan, dahil birthday niya. Sige, pagbibigyan natin ng mga gusto din niya. Sabi ko, budget mo 1,000. Ayan. Budgetan din natin si daddy niyo, guys, kasi ikaw lagi nagsha-shopping. Ha? Pero si daddy din nagsha-shopping. Yan, so si daddy ngayon ay namimili. Pang church, dad! May puti ka na eh. Yung ano mo? Yeah. Yeah. I know. Yan, so si daddy natin ngayon ay mamimili. Oh, guess. Magkano?
Balenciaga.
Oh, Balenciaga nga lang. Magkano? Balenciaga.
1,300.
Oh, kita nyo? 1,000 daw. Naku po. Grabe. Eh, ano kasi to? This is a signature one. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Signature siya. Sige na, tingnan mo kung may ano yung gusto mo na yon. Yan. Gusto daw ni daddy yung ganito. Yan daw gusto niya. Samba. Okay. I-try mo. Try mo yung ano nito. Kung meron silang size sa'yo. Yeah. Yan. Nakabili si Dexie. Pandora, it is Dexy. Dito namin binili yan. Ayan, so let's go guys! Wow, yan. Bridge to. This one, si train na to, connecting here. Yeah. Hindi nga lang masyadong kita kasi ano siya, blurred. Blurred siya, Dad. So guys, go down. Yan. So bumalik kami dito sa train. Sakay kami. Going to First Street. Yan. Ayan. So bumaba kami dito. Hi! Punta na kami ng Calgary Tower. Yeah.
This train settled down.
What?
Say it in the link down below.
They should greet your daddy happy birthday.
Yeah, I said happy birthday in
Ah.
the link down.
Oh, this one na guys. Saan na yun? Ito na ba yun? Oh my God. Ayan. Calgary Tower. Here we come. Let's take a photo muna, Dexy. Dexy, let's take a photo. There. Ayan ang Calgary Tower, guys. So, dito namin i-celebrate yung birthday ni Daddy this year. Ayan, April 2024. Ayan siya. Let's go there. Yeah. It's the tower. Halt. Woo! Ayan na siya. Ayun. Okay. Woo! The girls are there. Yan na, Dexa. Yan na, malapitan na. Let's go. Yeah.
Whoa!
Up to 9 p.m. Yeah. There. Ah. Up to 9 p.m. though. Okay, let's go. So we'll go here in Sky 360. Okay, let's go. It's like Toronto though. Yeah, it's like Toronto.
I looked at Toronto one.
Okay.
But if it's different and if it's dark.
Okay, I will ask first, okay? So, nakaisang tower na tayo, guys. This one, the Skyland Tower. And then, yeah, this one. Oh my, ang dami nating akyatin. Yeah, we will. We will pagka pumunta tayo ng Taiwan. Taiwan, yeah, so this is Taipei 101. So, gusto nilang puntahan. Nagbilang na kami Tokyo Tower daw, guys.
Look out when you're in Vancouver.
Okay. Maybe this one is doable, though.
Can you tell me which tower we went in Toronto?
It's Skylon Tower. This one. This one, Dexa. Yeah.
160.
Yeah. And this one is the Calgary Tower. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Oh yeah, because of the elevator.
Oh, there's a lot of tower though. Yeah. So I think the doable is the Vancouver Tower.
Yeah, let's do that in May.
So, yeah.
When you go to Vancouver.
Yeah, so we can visit Vancouver Tower though. Ah, oh, hold a second. Ah, dyan ba yung ano nyo? Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Oh, there's other towers over here.
Oh, here. Oh, the CN Tower.
That's where you need to go if we go.
Oh, yeah, the CN Tower. Okay, who's excited, Dexa? Woo!
Calgary Tower. We're
Okay.
not even done yet. Why didn't say thank you for this
Thank you for visiting Calgary Tower. So, why she said thank you na? Okay, oh, Dexa. Okay, we're moving. See? So what floor is that, Dexy, then? The
It has its
360.
own floor.
Ah.
It's like, it has its own floor.
What? Oh, this one. The Sky 360. Nasa R siya.
Yeah, and then the observation is above it.
So parang hindi naman siya tumataas, Dexy. Only number 2. Pero tumataas naman siya. No? Parang tumatakbo ba siya?
Yeah, it's-
Oh! But, yeah. Mezzanine. Oh,
That's why it's not window. Ito yung view na. Unlike Skylon where you can see everything.
Oh.
Because like it's glass in Skylon, right?
Mm. And then it...
Here, it's not.
Hindi, umiikot?
No! I mean the elevator. In Skylon, remember,
Oh.
it's glass.
Yeah. Okay. No, I'm just, ano...
No,
Eto, umiikot to. Okay.
that's why it's Sky 360.
Yeah. Ikot siya. Okay, andito na tayo, guys. Andito na. Yeah. Happy birthday! Okay. Dito din pala sila. Sorry. So, we have to wait here. I think we're very early for reservation, though. Okay. Sky 360. Yan. Okay. Okay, come on. Come on, Dexa. Yeah, I know. It's moving, right? Okay. Yeah, just sit down first and then you can feel it.
Really fast.
Yeah. Okay, Daddy. Go ahead, Daddy. The birthday boy. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my God. So, where do you want to sit down? Dexa, sit down ka dyan sa gilid, Dexa. Aww.
Oh, that's right.
Happy?
Thank you.
For starter, we have calamari. Okay. And then, ito yung drinks ko. Alcohol, guys. And for Dexa, ano sa kanya? Sprite. Sprite daw ay Dexa. And for Dexy, non-alcohol. Yan. Let's wait for the other minute. Okay, your burger. Yeah, thank you, please. Thank you. Okay, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Pacific scallops.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Okay, yeah.
There you go. Enjoy.
Okay, let's begin. Pray first, okay? Pray first, bebe. And then daddy's food. Okay, let's pray first. Ayan, kumakain na kasi ako. So, daddy is giving Dexy lang. Yeah. Hindi muna kami beef ngayon. Kasi lagi sa bahay beef naman.
Next time, want to try?
Let's try.
No, I don't like beef, remember?
Ayaw niyang beef, guys. Or lamb. Kay Dexy naman, so ito yung in-order niya. Kami na pasta and scallops. Yeah, same sa akin naman. Ito naman, walang katamatayang french fries and burger. So, yan. Yan ang aming pa-birthday kay Daddy. Dinner. So, yan ang view namin while eating. This is Calgary, downtown. So, ito yung view namin here. Okay, kain muna kami. Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, Daddy! Happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy! Ayan na! Ang sarap ata ng pagkain ni Daddy nyo ha. Ayan din kay Dexy. So, yan. Half tayo. Oh yeah. For sure. Ito din kung gusto mo mamaya. Okay, so ito ang aming view here in Calgary Tower. So ito daw yung favorite na building ni Dex. May kakaiba nga naman. So ito ang view. Yan. Here in. Ito yung nakikita while revolving siya. So nice. Yeah, here kay Dex sa door. Yan. Dexon. Ayan, few minutes, natapos ng food.
Just 18 minutes. Really quick.
After few minutes, tapos na.
18 minutes.
1 glass of alcoholic lang tayo. So, ito na yung view naman namin this time. Yeah. Come again?
I like my drink too. I like my drink. That one.
What? That one? This one has an alcohol though.
Let's.
Yeah. So, it's going to 7 p.m. na. So, we will try to book our ticket dito sa Calgary Tower talaga dun sa observation area. Yeah. So, kapag dito ka ata is, they will make it half of the price, no? Pag nag-dinner ka dito, no? Yeah. Isa sa mga benefit ng parang kumain ka muna dito and then get some ticket here is half lang siya. Yan, Daddy. So, Daddy, are you ready? Makikita mo yung paa mo pag ganyan eh. Glassed.
Wag niyo mga sabihin kay Dex sa iyo.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yan. Daddy's cake. Candles. Okay, sing for Daddy, guys.
Not too loud.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Wish Daddy first. Wish. Wish. Wish Daddy. Woo. Happy birthday. Okay. Candles for the exa. Picture for Daddy, please. Okay, I'm taking some video though. Daddy! Thank you. Okay, try this one.
Devil's cake.
Devil's cake though. For Daddy, it's devil's cake.
Devil's cake.
Okay, let's try. Dig in.
Not too loud.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Wish, make a wish. Wish.
Blow it out. Blow it.
Well, happy birthday.
Excited for you. Blue.
Candles for Daxie.
Oh, do you have anything to say?
Okay.
As a birthday boy?
And then take a picture, Daxie. Picture for Daddy.
Video ito, dahil. Happy birthday, Dad. I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad, too.
Yan, i-reveal na natin ang ating fee. Yan. So, ito ang fee namin here. Ayan siya. Ayan. So, we will remove here para makita nyo. So, ayan. So, ang aming bill is $228. Ayan. So, this one includes our ticket? Hindi. Ay, hindi pa included ang ticket. So, hindi pa daw included ang ticket. Yeah. So, yan yung order namin. Yeah, for Daddy's birthday, guys. Okay. So, aakyat na kami maya-maya. Para doon na kami sa observation
Daddy.
area. Yan sa taas. And visiting the observation deck.
Yes, we do have a ticket. Do you have a ticket? Yes.
Yes. Discounted tickets are available. Ayan, so magkano siya? Magkano binayaran natin? Tell me the price. 35.40 for the 3 of us. Oh, for the 4 of us, it's 35.40. So, discounted nga yung ticket nyo dito pag kumain kayo dito sa Sky 360.
When you look at
Yeah.
having the light, look.
Mm.
Yellow, white, yellow, white.
Okay. So, yun nga, discounted nga yung ticket. Yeah. Yan. Tickets can be purchased at Sky 360. Okay. Did you purchase your observation deck tickets? Okay, go ahead, guys. Go ahead. I'm so excited, guys. Yes! We purchased ours! Yeah. Yeah, thank you! Ayan na siya, guys! Here! Oh my! Where? Here? Oh, take a tour. Oh, here muna tayo kasi marami pang tao dyan. So, I think here, iikot ka nga lang kasi same pa din naman daw yung makita mo. Oo, at the same time, ito ang wala dun sa baba. This one. Daddy! Daddy! Oh my God! I don't like to see that. Oh my God! Sorry. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Just give them time to do that too. Okay. Okay. Oh. Dexa, don't go to their line. Yeah. Dexa.
Yeah.
I can't just put our feet like this, and then we'll take some photos. Wait. 3, 1, 2, 3. Dexa, doon ka kay Daddy pero bawal ka dyan Yan please do not sit or stand. So, pwede kang umikot-ikot din dito. May chatter room sila. It's our first visitor.
Decided to be down here a little bit early so we could be the first people to network. Never seen that kind of group before.
Okay, let's watch. Here tayo, Dexa, come on. Here.
First day on
Sorry.
June, so being one of the first ones on 4,000.
Okay. Ayan, so may movie na ganito here. Explore Alberta. So ito yung mga nakikita dito.
We're the only one here.
Oh, it's okay. We already watched that. So this one is our Calgary City. This one is downtown. Yeah. Si Dex sa kasama ko. Yeah, nawala ng tao Okay. Sherry, Calgary City, guys.
We went there to ice skate before.
Yeah. but it's not. I don't like you to have tattoo at your age. It's too young.
No, like a fake tattoo.
Okay, we do it then. You always have your sticker though.
Yeah, but if they fall off.
Ganun talaga.
It's ready. It's like a sticker.
Okay. Wow, that's nice. Wow. Where's that? Bam.
But this time you can do it hard. Right?
Calgary proud Calgarian here. Yeah. Oh, they are traveling. They're doing ski. Oh my God, they go to It's so nice. See that? So nice. Did you see that, the green one? What's that? The aurora. Oh, yeah, that one. Aurora, right? It's moving, yeah. See? Oh my God, that's nice. The aurora.
I was stuck in Ohio. Get down to see quite hard.
Wow, that's Calgary Tower. Dito sila. Saan kayo naggala? Okay. Watch muna tayo dito, Dixie. Dixie, watch ka muna.
Many other buildings, it's today still just iconically, that's Calgary.
But it's still going to be important to Calgary. It'd be the most unique, yeah, by a long stretch, I guess, yeah.
Ayun, sa paggabi na. Dito pa kami.
7 minutes lang tayo paiwan pag 8:50.
Oh, really? So, ayan. So, I think we have to wait para medyo makita din natin, eh, no? So, 8:53 daw ang sunset. Ayan. So, ito yung Calgary Tower. Visit namin. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, just looking around. Baby, come here. Ayan siya. Nakikita niya dito. So, ito bintana. Ayan siya. So, ito yung observatory deck na tinatawag nila. Yes. Ayun, Peace Bridge there. Ayan. So, ito yon. So, ikot dito here. So, may washroom sila dito. Pinipilahan na space. Yeah. Oo, maraming tao na. Kasi ito yung naka-konting tilt. I don't know how to say this one. Pero, meron siyang sobrang glass here. Yan. So, yan siya, yan siya, yan siya. Ayan! My God. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Something like this. Nakikita mo. Yung Calgary Tower yung baba niya. Yan siya. Sorry. Ayan, sundown na siya. So, 5 minutes. Wala na yung sun. So, ayan, nakaabang kami dito. So, nag-start na ding mag-ilaw yung mga buildings. Ayan sa baba. So, you can see sa baba. Ilaw na yung mga building nila. So, 9 PM kasi magsasara tong Calgary Tower. So, andito yung mga bata. Naghihintay sila din. Dexy. Okay, go. We can see that it's already night. Yeah. That's it. Say bye, Calgary Tower. Bye, Calgary Tower.
Bye.
See you again. Ah, the Calgary Tower. Yeah.
I already read that.
Okay. This one. Torch. Here. Yeah. This one is the Calgary Tower and this one. Ah, you want to go with the video? Sorry. Okay, Dexa. Okay, let's go. That's so nice. Okay, bye. Say bye to them.
Look at the
Yeah, marami pa
the
dyan.
thing if it really did it.
Okay. Hold a second.
Wait, give me your phone now.
One more step, guys.
Sorry. Final step.
Yes, come on, take a photo.
No. Okay, hold.
Dalawang shoes mama, hindi lang.
Oo.
Dalawang shoes.
Dalawa. Your shoes, I cannot see it though. Okay? Dexa, yung ulo mo.
Ulo mo.
There. Ay, hold a second.
Just
Dexa.
one. Just two shoes.
Okay, yan. Ang nakikita. Oh my God. Nakakatakot siya, guys. Dexa, hindi man lang takot. Oh. Hindi man lang takot. Dexa, smile ka muna, bebe. Dexa. Dexa, here. Okay, ready? Smile. One more. Oh my God. Ayan yung Calgary Tower, no? Yung bagong gawa nila. Siya. Ayan yung how they do it. Grabe, no? Yeah, this one. Oh, yan po. Nakakatakot. So, we survived, guys.
Ilang feet siya?
Okay. So, how's your experience, guys?
Good.
Good. What about you, Dexa?
Really good.
Ikaw, birthday boy? you for visiting Calgary
And
Tower.
this is what's supposed to look like.
Yeah. Ito si Dexa. Ayan. Gabi na! Gracias por visitarnos. Thank you for visiting. Mercy. Ayan. Yan ang sinabi niya, mercy. Ayan, gabi na nga! Sabi ni Dexa, gabi na. Gabi na, sabi niya. Ayan na, gabi na nga. Ayan na, Calgary Tower. Ayan na siya. Okay, let's go na. Ayan. Tingnan niyo siya. Oh, tingnan niyo siya, guys. So, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Dexa. Oh! Oh, yun yung nakikita mo kanina na light. Yeah. Sky 360. Ayan. Woo! Oh. Okay, tawid muna kami dito. Then we'll ride na train going to McKnight. Going to McKnight na tayo, guys. Oh, ginaw na. Hindi na kinaya ni Dexa, guys. Ayan. Dito kasi namin iniwan yung sasakyan namin McKnight. Ayan siya, McKnight. Ayan na ang train. Bye, train. Ayan. Lamig. So malamig siya. Oh, sorry about that. No worries, yeah. Okay, lamig.